In front of me is OPPO K10x, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down. Google Password Manager can be tricky to find, but don't worry, I tested it on this device and many others. All you need to do is hit Google, choose all services here, and then scroll until you will see Autofill with Google section. Then tap on it and hit Google Password Manager here. Finally, you can tap on one of your passwords you wish to edit, enter your screen lock, and tap Edit button to update it. Change whatever you want to. Sorry, misclick. And then hit Save at the top right corner. To make sure you changed your password, click on this icon right next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!